So how do we assemble and disassemble a Mac 3011 SLD pistol? This is 40 caliber. So this is customized. And how do we assemble and disassemble this? So it is important that this is aligned, and press this one so you can take this one out. So take this one out, just pull this out, and then after remove the upper slide. So it's already removed. We have the upper receiver and the lower receiver with the slide stop. So we have to take this out, the spring, and we need a pin in order to take this one out. So in order to take this spring, we need an improvised, this is an improvised pin. So what we do is push the spring forward. When you push this forward, you will see that there is there's a small hole, this one, and you just have to put that, you have to put the pin, see, insert the pin in that hole, and then push the spring. So here it is, and you can just and then push it out. See? So one. And this one. Now we can clean. That it's out, we can clean this 3011 pistol. So you can see it's quite dirty. I have to clean this first. And this one also. See, it's dirty because I used it a day ago. So I have to clean this. I will be using this ballistal multi-purpose. This is the one I'm using. So to clean, this is the one I'm using to clean the pistol. So this one I'm using. And I also have a gun oil. So gun oil. I have my cleaning kit with me, so I'll be using this to clean. And I have this this is a microfiber tissue that I can use to wipe the dirt and the gunk from my pistol. Okay, so what I usually do is spray. I'm not an expert, but this is what I do with my firearm. I spray this with oil, this lubricant, or it's a multi-purpose cleaner. So I sprayed it and then set it aside, and then also spray this portion, only that portion, and this one too. I don't know if I have to spray, but yeah. Okay. And you do you. This is how I clean mine. cleaning it. I guess this is already clean. I'm done cleaning this. So I've already put slide glide. And I will put this on. So this one first with the slide. So you have to put this one like that and insert it in the slide. Okay. And this one. Remove the pin, slide it forward so you can remove. Push this one here, push, and take this. Okay. And I usually have difficulty putting this back. I usually have difficulty putting this all together again. But I'm getting used to it, so hopefully this pistol will cooperate. It's cooperating now. So push. And then put it here. So a little there. Already done. So point it in this. Okay. Done cleaning. It's already clean.